welcome to my channel. My name is Sylvia and my channel's all about art and craft. Now, considering yesterday I put a video up doing a folder, decorating it for my craft room, I sort of thought, because of the fact that I've been at the markets all morning, well, okay, I got up at 2:30 this morning and I was down at the markets by 3:30, so I'm pretty exhausted. So what I thought I'll do is I'll actually show you, just to give you some ideas on different ways you can actually decorate your craft folders, just to, you know, pretty them up. And it's also a way of being able to find a way to work out what's really in it straight off the bat. Like, you don't even have to read what the folder says. So this one here are called scrap card stocks. So yes, this one I just used some stamps and, you know, a few different colours and that. And so it doesn't really show you the cardstock except for the white cardstock that I used. But, you know, I still thought it was a pretty cool one to do the way I've done it, because it also gives you, like, you know, positive stuff on there. Like, today will be a good day, stay determined, you can do it. You know, it's another way of encouraging myself to be creative on a daily basis. So, and this one saying, don't forget to be awesome. Hey, I'm always awesome, I think. Yeah, of course I am. Now, the other one that I've done is my stamps. And I really went crazy with it. You know, using all different stamps to really give me the idea, yeah, well, you don't have to read this, it's stamps. So, but yeah, again, you know, just using different stamps, putting colour in it, make it nice and cheerful. And, you know, again, this one says, make things happen. This one says, life is like a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. And it's actually a quote of Albert Einstein, you know. You know, nothing soothes the soul like a walk on the beach. So again, I'm, you know, trying to make sure that I stay positive, let's say it that way. And I pretty much did a similar thing here as well. And it kind of looks cool up on the shelf. So that's folder number 2. And folder number 3, I decided to do something slightly different. Scrap pattern paper. I put a piece of scrap here, but I decided I wanted to do a little bit more, so I did some flowers and a rosebud, and I had these little cute stickers, so I stuck them on, and again, a little bit of scrap pattern paper, and same here. So, you know, again, I've spiced it up a little bit and, you know, made sure that the pattern paper was there. So again, easy to find. Now, speaking of, you know, me trying to keep myself in the frame of mind where I want to be creative all the time. As I said, I was at the markets at 3:30 this morning, patiently waiting in line. And what I actually did was, I ended up sitting in the car painting in watercolours, you know, and one, it passed the time real quick. And 2, I wasn't bored. But I still managed to be creative. So although, you know, I'm not going to be doing anything for the rest of the afternoon because I think I'm going to head off to bed in a minute because I'm just that pooped. I still had a day of being creative. So it just shows that, you know, it doesn't matter how busy you are, you can always find time to be creative. And it's something that I want to try and inspire you guys with. Especially with me doing these videos on a daily basis. So, now here's the question. Because I do know my videos are quite long, once I finish with my challenge, would you like me to continue putting videos up every day? Maybe Monday to Friday instead of, you know, every single day, including the weekend? Or would you rather me just put, you know, 2 or 3 videos up a week? Let me know in the comments down below because, you know, I'm actually kind of curious. So, yeah, and I'm going to call this done because, as I say, I'm really, really tired and I really need some sleep. So, I will catch you guys tomorrow and be sure to give us a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified for more videos that are coming up. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.